I mentioned cybersecurity earlier in the conversation. I think that cybersecurity is a really good example of a model. It had a business industry leadership team. It had curriculum that was informed by national best practices and industry best practices. It leveraged the expertise of our faculty, and there was an interest in students pursuing that career. And so when we look at that cybersecurity grant, it created college credit certificates. It blended into an associate's in science. We created a bachelor's of applied science and cybersecurity, and the outcomes that we generated were of such high impact that we were recognized by the NSA as a center of excellence on our first application. And I think that our cybersecurity program, having the designation as a national center of excellence in cybersecurity, is so much attributed to the framework that we approached our National Science Foundation ATE program proposal.
As you're writing your grant in the first place, you're focusing on that central issue that you want to be the focus and the purpose of the grant. But along the way, as you're doing that, think about different branches in the industry or in the business or in the discipline that you're working on, so that for future grants, you may pivot a little bit and write another grant that would build off of your first grant and move another branch of the program forward.
So I would say the robotics program, which again we've always had it, but with our ATE project, we really have been able to fully integrate it with machining and with everything from industrial maintenance to our engineering technology curriculum. It's now fully embedded, where I think it was more kind of off on its own, nice program to look at, and a nice program to expose students to, but now it's fully integrated into the curriculum. And I think we're able to showcase to employers, these are some of the things our students do in the robotics advanced manufacturing area that can be very relevant to your goals at your manufacturing firm.